Abashomesa 18 abasingira empaka za Teachers Making a Difference hamwe na timu y'abanyamakuru abebembezi ku rwo Ministry y'Obwegyese na timu ku rwaha Embassy ya Ireland mu Uganda bashyira mu Rembo Dublin omwihanga rya Ireland aho barije kumara wiki yona barukutendekwa no kutungura obukoryo busya obo barije ku bano bakoresa barkwegyesa.
I expected to go to schools and high institutions of learning where I expected.
I am grateful for this opportunity that I'm now in Ireland, and today is my second day in Ireland. I'm grateful for the Ireland Embassy and whatever they have done for us. This trip is amazing. The reception here at Ireland was so good. I was welcomed very well, showed my room where I'm sleeping, and it's marvelous.
We are so grateful. Today is the World International Teachers Day. Well, as a teacher myself, I'm so happy, but also to really know that teachers are making a great difference in this world. Specifically to the teachers who made it to Ireland, it's a double blessing for sure that today they're celebrating their day with bright faces, but also that they have made it to Ireland. They are among the best teachers in Uganda who went an extra mile doing their work, dedicating to serve the children and the communities, and they are here. We received them warmly, happily yesterday, and they've been able to refresh and rest. Today we are taking them out there to explore and see what happens in Ireland.
John Eremu omuchenchuzi w'orupapura rw'amakuru orwa The New Vision kandi ory'omushuganisi omu mpaka za Teachers Making a Difference nagira ngu nkaba sponsors beine okushemererwa ahabw'okureba ngu omutindo gw'abashomesa guriyo nigweyongyera kandi okureba ngu abashomesa bashyira omu ihanga rya Ireland barije.
What a blessing for our star teachers to be celebrating this great day from Ireland. In most cases, teachers are never celebrated, and yet they contribute immensely towards human capital development of our country. So International Teachers Day is there to celebrate the teachers, and we are grateful to our sponsors for making this possible, the Embassy of Ireland in Uganda.
I congratulate all the teachers for having come to this day, World Teachers Day 2025. Teachers, I congratulate you. Amidst all odds, I want to thank you for the work you do, because you shape the community into the community that we want. All the profession of every country begins in the hands of the teacher. I want to congratulate and appreciate all the people that have supported government in motivating teachers. In this case, I congratulate the Embassy of Ireland.
Today is yet another moment when I'm celebrating World Teachers Day from Ireland in Dublin. I'm so excited about it. I'm so grateful.
So we try and stay together in a group. Keep your eyes on me.
Gashakwa Christopher Ahimsuwe.